Next, we need to work on some CSS part, some navigation part, okay, some look and feel part. Right. So first we can come to the which file, come to the app.js file and see the structure of app.js file. User, product, and then my book. So three we have component. This is from user, this is from the product, and this is from the my books. Now inside the app.js file, the section tag we have written inside the section tag before your component. Inside the section tag and before your component, what you have written, we can follow UL tag, and so we are going to generate the navigation now. Navigation where we can click and then pages will load. In this example, till now, you can see all components are loading. Right? All components are loading same time. We want this should be different. According to need, the component should load. All components should not come in one, in home page itself. So whichever the link will be clicked by user, that link has to open instead of opening all. So you will come to the app.js file. In app.js file, you will be have add the li. UL and then li. After li, write a tag also, but don't write the HR here. Okay, I write here call. First call. Which one? User list, my product as well as my home. So we'll write here one menu called home. Home. Next will be three more. Home, then manage user, manage product, manage product, manage books. Manage user, manage product, manage books. Now we need to write some CSS for this so that it should look like a for e tag you write a class. In React we don't have property called class, we have property called class name. We can write here called menu. Class name you add everywhere called menu. And menu. Okay, you will li menu we added. Now we'll go to the HTML. Here in the last you add one more section, footer. Right here call React here. Simple. Keep a React. Or footer will overload the code. Okay. So let it be less code. First we need to understand the functionality. Remove footer. For this UL tag, one ID we can give. Top nav. UL ID equal to top nav. Come to the CSS file that is called index.css. Index.css. Basic folder is there. CSS is already there. Index.css file already have here. Index.css. This CSS file is calling under the index.js. Index.css is calling, not calling. Okay, we have deleted that day, right? Okay, so no problem, we can write it. You can call in index so that it will go for all the component. Index also you can call, or you can call in the where app.js also. Here also we can call, here also we can call, or here also we can call. Where under the index.js. Whether you call app.css, whatever you call, you have to write the CSS in that file. If you call this one, you have to write the CSS in this. If you call another one, you have to write the CSS. Okay. So in index.css, we will write something, and that we need to call in index.js. So here in index.js, in beginning, we can import that is called index.dot slash, we have to give dot slash index dot css dot slash index dot css. Important index.css. Now come to the index.css file. In index.css file, something code is written, you can remove that. Body, let it be on the top. Then for has top nav. Top nav margin 0px and then background color. You can select any color. Next, after that, come for the top nav of LI. Padding from top 18px. Left right also keep equal 18px. Bottom also keep 18px. Later we have to change little. Display in a line block. Display in line block. All will come in one line. Then we have a class called menu. For the menu class, color should be white color and text decoration should be none. And then font size will be 22px. Something like this. Menus will appear. If one CSS getting apply or not. Oh. Yeah. Yes, yes. What is the concern? Okay, so CSS got applied. Okay. Next, after that, next should be the functionality. When we click on the links, then pages should load. It should not load all page together. According to click only, it should load. Next CSS will be for this content. It is coming in the very beginning. It should come little inside. So write a class. I will share the CSS code in chat. CSS code is coming to your chat. Okay, moving on. Next, write a class called container. Container. For that, keep the width 80% and margin auto. Margin auto. So this class, wherever we call, 80% width it will occupy and it will come in center. Margin auto, it will appear. Yeah, got it. Next, go ahead to the user file. In user, we have division in the beginning. Write for that class name container. Class name N will be capital. Okay, then class name is a container. Little inside, came little inside. Go next, same class container. You need to add in remaining component in product. Okay, and in book also, class name is a container. So everywhere it's a little inside now. It is not touching the complete left. It has some space from left as well as next we need to add the functionality now. So when we click the link, the content should change. On the click of the link, content should change. So for everyone done till here, after writing the CSS in all the pages, the division you have for that, you need to write class name equal to container. Class name C will be capital, not class name. N will be capital. Class name N will be capital. Okay, moving on. Come to your terminal and go to the new terminal. We have to install some packages. Go to the terminal and new terminal. Terminal, new terminal, internet is required. You can write npm install npm install npm install react hyphen router hyphen dom. npm install react router 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 dom. So this package is going to help you with the entire state management, functional component, hooks related functionality, as well as routing, and then many more. Okay, that is called React Router DOM package name. Inside that package, all the required components are available, we can use it, we can call it, we can use it. Okay, so hope installation is completed. Right. Come next. In the app.js file, in app.js file, you have to import the packages to create the routing, to create the navigation. Import as router suggestion will come, you can select it as router from React router DOM. As router from React router DOM. As router. Okay. Next, after this, we need to call here one more called routes, and one more is required called root and link. Root and link. Important. Now, after importing this, we have written here called section tag. Section tag is open, section tag is closed. Section tag replaced with hash router. Section tag replaced with hash router. Section tag replaced with hash router. Section tag replaced with a hash router. Next, after that, the e tag you have written, you need to replace with the link. In React, will not use AHREF, we'll use the link. Tag name is link. Component name is for link. L will be capital. So hash router you added. Now you are going to work on link. L will be capital. Instead of A, you are using now for link. Link open, link close everywhere. Link L is capital. In link, L is capital. Hmm. We have to do some more thing. All are on track. Now link to, like how we write href, ahref. Similar way, inside the link there is a property called to. Inside the link we have a property called to. Link to, you need to add everywhere. Link space to, add everywhere. Okay, link. After that, to be given. Now we have to generate the URL here. On which URL home will load, on which URL user, product and all. Okay. So we can write here, if URL is only slash, then it will call the home file. If URL is only slash means default base, then slash my user, not my user, slash user list. Then it will call the, this text what you are writing slash user list, it is not okay. Here again user is there, hold on. So let's write call something else that should not match anywhere. Okay. So we'll write call user directly. We can write here slash product, and we can write here slash book. So user, product, and then book. Okay, written user, product, and then this one, user, product, and then book. If it is user, then which component should come? User list. If product, then my product. If book, then my book. Click in URL and see the link is changing. On the click of this link URL, the URL is getting changed. Whichever the link we click, the URL get changed. Whichever the link we click, the URL should get changed. But content is same. Content is same. Requirement is URL is changing, let it change. And along with URL, content also should get changed. Yeah. URL is changing, along with that, content also should get changed. So for that, we have to write a condition. For that, we have to write a condition. What is the URL? If URL is user, then load the my user. Okay. So link you have imported, link use, hash router imported, hash router use. Now two more are pending. Roots and root. Root will come under the roots. So how it will be, and all will be the part of hash router. Okay, so we'll go here. And before component name, open the user list, not user list, the roots. open the roots and close these roots here. Okay, user list, it will throw the error again. So we have to use the root, then only error will go. Let's come now. Open another root element. Write their exact path. Means what is the exact value in the browser URL. So in browser URL, exact path is slash, only slash. Then which element should come? Element equal to this element, not this element. Element equal to will open the H1, close the H1 and welcome home. So we wrote directly what we wrote here. Direct we wrote as a, if URL is only slash, then what should happen? Home file is not ready. What will display? You can see home link, what we are changing, only slash. So here also we are checking if URL is holding only slash, then element equal to H1 means display the content of H1. Showing error. Okay. Book we have not written the condition. By default also error. Right. No problem then. We can remove this one as of now. And here you can call that component. Which component? My user component. Call the my user component. If exact path is empty, then call the user list component. Okay. Not printing anything. Right. User list we have no here. User list. It should appear. Okay. Root hash router is fine. Okay, let's add remaining also. We will find out the error. The root exact path is user. Then it should load the user component. If exact path is product, it should load the product component. exact path. Now see, pages are loading according to click. So this all the links plus root and hash router. This all I'm sharing in the chat. Please check once on the click of the link. The pages should change as well as content has to change. URL will change and content will change. Working for 3-4 people. What about others? लिखिए write it. Okay, next go ahead after this. So have you set up the new project? Now I'll guide you what to do. Okay, so you will follow this homework. Set up new project as project 2. Next, after that, create following components. Company.js, employee.js, company.js, employee.js, user.js, item.js, .js. Next is called home.js. Step number 3, company and employee, company.js and employee.js, company.js and employee.js. Or I'll write here implement array of object in company.js and employee.js. Implement array of object in the sense what? You create an array of 5 company name, city, pin code and all, 5 employee name, mobile, city, pin code and display inside the page. Under the 4th question, user and item, implement single dimensional array in user and item.js. Step number 5, install react hyphen router hyphen down. How to install? npm install react router down. Next, after that, set up routing in app.js. Step number not on click of link, page should open with the data. Page should open with data. This is the homework. One implementation you can try it. Okay. I'll post this one in the group.